Another one that I sold and got is this Air Jordan 11 Retro GS5Y. I also sold this one, the Air Force One 07 LB, and I was thinking I was gonna keep this for the personal, but it's been a while that been waiting if I could have a chance to wear them. So I said I'll just gonna list it. If it's gonna sell, I'm gonna let it go. And this one is the GS of the Jordan 11. This couple weeks, there's a lot of launches on the sneakers app, like Nike SB Dunk Veneer, the Jordan 1 High OG Code Japan, most of all, the Air Force 1 Low Paranoise, including those Kobe, was a lot of loss. There are some wins, something like this that I got right here. Some restock and some are win. Let's take him out of the box and let's see what are the wins that I got on the sneaker app. Let's start with this one. We have here the Air Force One 07 LB8. Boom! So it comes with this kind of a different leather type of shoes. Toe box all the way at the back. It's almost just the same. A little bit touch of black. Of the red, and a small touch of blue. Make it more pop, and the color can't go wrong on this one. Got them for retail, so I would gonna resell them. I was so lucky that I got 3 of this one because they were so kind of popular. That is why. Okay, so we have here the Jordan 1 Made Special Edition, and the colorway is the Sail Photo Blue Chill Red. Wow, look at those wings with gold accent. That is why they more expensive, unlike the other Jordan 1 mids, with that blue thing. And the shoes is some kind of eggshell color in the medial and the lateral side, including also the top of the toe box. But there is something pattern inside of it. And also the toe box, that is little bit soft. And including also on the back, it's also just the same leather. Another different kind of material is here. It's some kind of a corduroy. It's not stiff on the tongue. I think it's placed on this part of the tongue wherein they put the Air Jordan Jumpman here. Around the tongue, also in the back, it's almost just like a corduroy type material. And it is inside of it, has more softness in it. So that is more premium material, and the gum bottom, it is nice. I said, at least can I have one of this particular shoe. From where I was born, we don't skate. That's why I don't look myself into this kind of shoe, because I don't do skateboard. I do basketball. Probably, even though they might gonna go look good in hand, might gonna just resell them. And especially, it's not my size. So we have here your Nike Dunk Low SP, and the colorway is the black Nori ceramic. Okay, so it's just a typical box. We don't have here the Nike SB color of the box. So here we go. Boom. Okay, so we have here the ceramic colorway Nike SB. Not bad for the color of some kind of orange thing. Orange bottom. The quality is not bad as well. It feels like suede material. The tongue, kind of stiff. Yeah, there is a little bit support on the ankle. Well, what do you think all of the that I won on the Nike sneaker, even though there's a lot of loss? My first time winning a Nike SB. Have you also won this past few weeks? What do you want? Comment down below. And hopefully we could still win on this coming. Well, if you like what you see, can you please leave a thumbs up and also comment down below. And with that said, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Nolasco here. Mag-ingat po kayo. Bye-bye!